Anna and Elsa decided to move out from the old palace in Arendelle into a modern Lego castle. LaLiLu Craft will be glad to help the girls out with building a new home. Let's get our Lego ready. Join the halves of a see-through horse. Assemble an Elsa figurine. Add the arms afterwards. Here's the face. We can't do without our sister. They are inseparable with Anna. But someone is missing. The girls have been waiting for their friend Olaf. A few black buttons at the front. Olaf has brought a chicken and a dog along. Welcome, my new pets. Let's move on to the construction of the castle. Make up the floor. Decorate the purple pieces with a coat of arms sticker. We move on. The floor area is getting bigger. Make the base stronger with additional details. There's a ledge on one side. A sticker will decorate the threshold of the castle. We will set up a porch arch next to the entrance. This part of the building will have a side entrance. Let's finish the ground floor. And build up the foundations for the walls. We put high pillars lined up in a row and set up a fence between them. We continue building the walls with a gray piece. There are colorful cylinder lamps along the side. Let's make the throne. Complete them with a two-piece seat. Let's make the back. There are comfortable headrests on the sides. Decorate the round seat with a purple flower sticker. There will be a little round table with a gray tablecloth next to it. An empty glass is waiting for drinks to be served. Let's add some vertical pillars to the building. We'll build one of them using pieces with holes. The entrance will be decorated using additional pieces with holders. Put flashlights in them. We also put holders on top of the pillars. Let's set up translucent columns. They look like polished blocks of ice. Add wall lights. This arch has a teardrop shape. We keep on building the hall. And there are flowers blooming in the holes. A vertical garden is a brilliant idea. And these are the caps for the translucent columns. A curved staircase is coming along step by step. Let's add a ledge over the arch. We keep on fortifying the base of the second floor, connecting the walls to each other. Make the height identical. Glue on pictures of flags. They will decorate the front of the house. Yay! The tiles of the second layer are set up. The deer gives them a crush test and is satisfied with it. We install a purple balcony. Build a fence out of colored pieces around the entrance and continue with white pieces. Assemble a wardrobe with 2 drawers. Let's put the wardrobe in the left room. We keep on constructing the blue arches. Build the corner. Let's add pillars. The balcony is decorated with lamps and brown handles. Install the cross arches. There is a stand for a sparkling snowflake on the ledge. Let's frame the windows. We set up a piece with many holes in the left side of the castle. Raise the height of the pillars. Add pieces above the windows so we can install the roof afterwards. Add flat tiles. Here's the first tower. Purple flowers bloom on the balcony pillars. Decorate the big tower with pattern stickers. Build a fence. Also cubes in the corners and lights. We install a low fence at the back. Next comes a fence in front of the biggest tower. Place the coat of arms above the entrance. We also build the central and corner towers with sharp spires in the same way. The large blue detail completes the gate. Frozen icicles hang from the ledge. Decorate the central tower with gold curvy details. A luxurious antique clock with an elegant dial hangs above the arch. The castle is almost done, but one tower roof is still missing. This is much better. Lights sparkle on the side pillars of the balcony. Let's finish the central spire. We decorate it with a snowflake wind vane. What's the weather like in the kingdom? Pigeons like our windowsill. Let's sharpen the remaining spires. Elsa and Anna's luxurious castle is finally finished. The kingdom has never seen a building this complicated before. We did our best to fulfill all the wishes of the princesses. Olaf welcomes everyone. And here are the sisters. They came to take a look at their new property. All the animals came to congratulate the princesses on moving into their new home. Today is a big day. A new happy life begins in the Lego castle. Click! We are moving on to the Icy Kingdom. Anna decides to help with the landscape design, so she planted lots of pine trees. Elsa gets on her horse so she can have a look around quickly. I'm using the powers of cold. Yay! It's snowing. Now everything around is covered with a white layer of snowflakes. Olaf and the reindeer are happy that the weather changed. Let's wish our beloved Frozen characters to make themselves feel at home in their new castle. Hit the thumbs up if you liked our magical construction. Subscribe to LaLiLu Craft and watch even more unusual doll room and house ideas.